Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know, my bike met with an accident last week and now it is repaired and back home. So I wanted to tell you what are the things that were changed and also what was the total cost of the repair and how much claim did I get from the insurance company. Let me give you a 360 view of my motorcycle, how it looks right now. You can see I have the GPR titanium full system exhaust, and from the left side this is how it looks. So the bike fell to the left. If you haven't seen the crash video, I'll put that in the description section down below, where a pickup truck came and hit me from behind. So the bike went and fell towards the left. So what are things were changed? First thing is this gear lever. It got bent, so it was changed. This is a new gear lever. Apart from that, the tail was broken. It was broken from here, so this is a new tail. And also this handlebar, the left handlebar piece, the rod from here till here, it got bent and it was touching the tank. Now you can see it is not touching the tank, so it's all fine. So this rod is changed, and also this handlebar weight on the left side got replaced because it got scratched. So the total cost that I had to pay, let me take out the invoice first. This is the invoice, and the total part amount is 3,908 rupees and labor charge is 236 rupees. Total comes around 4,144 rupees. So the gear lever, this gear lever, it costed 766 rupees. Rear license plate support, which is nothing but the stock tail tidy, it costs 611 rupees. And half handlebar, this is the main cost, it costs 2,169. Apart from that, this handlebar weight, it costs 362, and these are all the labor charges. So I had to pay 4,144, and I have an Acko Insurance, so I claimed the insurance. I thought the cost is going to be much higher, hence I claimed it. But later when I saw this invoice, I was literally shocked looking at the price. It is so cheap, it is not at all costly. So Acko does not have tie-up with Motoplex, so this was a reimbursement insurance. I had to pay the entire amount to the showroom, and within 24 hours Acko credited me the amount. So because I don't have a zero dip insurance, this year I renewed the own damage insurance, and it is a comprehensive insurance. When you buy a comprehensive insurance, you have to make a co-payment for all the parts that are replaced. So they gave me 2,800 rupees, and total charge was 4,144. so that is like 1,300 I had to bear in order to replace all these parts. And also note that my next year's own damage premium is going to increase by I think around 500 or 1,000 rupees. I'm not sure, because the no claim bonus goes off when you claim an insurance. If I would have been aware that it is going to be so cheap, I wouldn't have claimed the insurance at all. But now it has been done, so I can't do it, help it. It is like even if I wouldn't have claimed the insurance, I had to shell out around 1,000 or 1,200 rupees extra. But that's okay, because when I inquired at the showroom, even they were not 100% sure about the cost, so they gave me a rough estimate of 12 to 13,000 rupees, but it came out to be actually very less. So now my bike is again back in its shape. And also let me tell you, this crash guard has taken the impact, and because of that it got scratches over here. It was uneven, so Motoplex Hyderabad, they rubbed a sandpaper on it to make it even. Now it is all fine, you can see, and this is very sturdy, guys. I really like this Hyper Rider Skylar frame sliders for RS 457. If you want to purchase it, I'll put it in the description section down below. And good that I had the Aoocci BX, because of which I could show to the cops that it was not my mistake. And this is the Aoocci BX. It is super handy for me. If you want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description section down below. You will get straight 22% discount on the official website using my code Prakash Suraj. And it is very important to have a dash camera. The Aoocci BX has proved its worth in this incident, and it also has a radar. So all these fittings and all remains the same, only the tail was changed. So yeah, the bike is back and rolling on the roads. Let me know what do you think about this repair on my RS 457. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. And also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is prakashsuraj17. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.